Today we're up at 6:30 in the morning to go kayaking. So we have to go to register or sign something, and then we have to go to the dock and they try to drown us or something. I don't know. I gotta get some coffee. I think we're gonna brace the wherever it is. Dock's over there, so that's where we're going.
You guys can be
Big Powell.
It is supposed to be fun, but it also is a workout. It's about 5 miles round trip, so momentum is going to be your best friend. Keeping the boat moving with slow, steady paddling is going to conserve a lot more energy.
We've been out here for 6 hours. Water ran out, and my paddler doesn't have her labels out. You're supposed to have your label out like that. And yeah, you can see no labels.
Take a picture of my cute kid while you're being a drama king back there.
That's my. Sometimes birds come back here. Sometimes dads pee. So I gotta get down there. Nobody knows how that's gonna happen. How's it nice? So we're in a canyon and there's nobody around. There's a slot, and then there's a person over. So these are kind of neat, a little swirly. We add that in 5th grade in the bathroom. And there's sunlight up there. It's really bright down here. So the water actually would come this way, going into the water. This is a slot. That's a canyon. So we just keep slotting.
So real quick right here. Yeah. These are all the paint transfer marks from kayaks and jet skis hitting the walls.
That's the stairway to heaven. Scored me a solo boat. Looking forward to this. She's stuck over there. It's really yucky here. See that? Yeah. Been a long paddle. We're near the end. A little choppy. This is tiring. I seem to be going towards the rocks. Who knew?